Hello everyone, welcome to the Cmallforhappylife channel. The two-way square knot is a popular technique in macrame weaving, frequently used to create charming friendship bracelets and decorative wall hangings. In today's video, we'll demonstrate how to use this versatile knot to craft a beautifully simple cross. Materials. Today I am using a 2mm thick cord requiring one piece of 100 centimeters and another of 50 centimeters. Step 1. Fold the 100 centimeters cord in half to use as the central axis. At the midpoint fold, leave about 2 centimeters to secure it in place. Step 2. Fold the 50 centimeters cord in half to use as the wrapping cord and hang it on the axis cord. Be sure to hang the cord using a flat knot method, pulling one end of the cord upward and the other end downward. Tighten the wrapping cord and continue weaving. Pay attention to the direction of the cord. For the same side, if the cord was previously pulled from bottom to top, now it should be pulled from top to bottom. The other side should be the opposite. Continue weaving, and for the upper part of the cross, about 3.5 square knots should suffice. Don't worry about the length not being sufficient. After weaving the lower part, there is usually a gap. We will need to weave an additional one or half a double-sided flat knot to fill it. Now, let's start weaving the lower part. We will need to use 2 thumbtacks to secure at a position about 2.5 times the length of the upper part. The distance between the 2 thumbtacks should be about 4 mm narrower than the width of the already woven upper part of the cross. Wrap the ends of the central axis around the thumbtacks on the same side, then weave a double flat knot. Tighten the wrapping cord and continue weaving. Pay attention to the direction of the cord. For the same side, if the cord was previously pulled from bottom to top, now it should be pulled from top to bottom. The other side should be the opposite. When you have woven to approximately 1 square knot from the upper part of the cross, estimate the length ratio between the upper and lower parts of the cross, which typically is 3.3. Based on your visual assessment, add square knots at the junction where the upper and lower parts meet to make the cross appear more balanced and harmonious. Once the middle section is complete, we will begin weaving the sides. You will also need 2 thumbtacks, which should be placed about 1.5 centimeters from the sides of the cross for fixation. Then, as shown in the video, wrap the 2 cords from the same side around the thumbtacks and weave double flat knots. Continue until the knots are snug against the middle part of the cross. Then same way to wave the other side. Once all the weaving is done, tidy up by pulling the ends tight and then trim off any excess. Use the blue flame of a lighter to lightly melt and seal the ends. Your finished product is now ready. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe and share to support me in making more great DIY videos.